So today our question is it interesting to split the audio from the video to work well on an editing software video? So in the first point we will see the benefits of extract the audio. In the second point we will see the constraint, and finally I will tell you how to do it. So why and when should you unlink the audio and the video? So first, if you want to play with your video, the image, and for example you want to cut a part to put an image, but you want to keep the audio like it is, you have to extract the audio, then cut the image, cut the video to put the image between two parts of the video. So it will avoid conflict between the video and the added image. Then, if you want to add some transition, be careful, because some visual transition can have an impact on the audio. For example, I use ScreenFlow, and when I add an ending transition, the sound is decreased. So if I want to avoid this effect, I have to split the sound and the video to keep the sound like it is, and add my transition without impact. And finally, in a practical aspect, if you want to add transition, visual effect, sound effect almost in the same time, you will see them in the same part, so it will be unreadable. So split your audio from the video and you will have the transition and the visual effect on a part and the audio effect on another part. So it will help you to see when you are in your advancements, and if someone comes after you to check your work, for example, or to give you some advice, he will be so much grateful because he can read better. So now the constraint. If you work on two lines in the same time, you need to be more focused, because if you move the video, you have to move the sound also, because if you don't do it, if you forget to do it, you will have a mismatch between the audio and the video. So be careful to this when you edit a video and you separate the sound from the audio. So even if it takes more time, I suggest you to split the video and the audio if your video is more than just simple cut. When you start to add some effects, separate them, because you will have a better overall picture. But how to do it? It's very simple. You have to select your media, make a right click and choose the options detach audio, separate audio, or extract audio. If you don't have this option when you do a right click, just select your media, go to the top left corner on the edit tab, click on it, and here you will have always the option unlink sound, extract sound, or it depends on your softwares. So thank you for listening. I hope it helped you. Give me some feedbacks in the comments part below. I see you next week for a new video, and don't forget to stay at home and follow the guideline.